What's the meaning of burglary? Burglary. Burglary.
Burglary. Burglary. Burglary is a criminal act that involves entering a building or dwelling with the intention of committing theft or another felony. The result of burglary can be devastating for the victim, as they may lose valuable possessions or sentimental items. Burglary can also cause emotional harm, as victims may feel violated and unsafe in their own home. Additionally, it can lead to financial expenses, such as repairing damaged property or increasing security measures. In some cases, the psychological effects of burglary can last long after the physical damage has been repaired. Overall, burglary is a serious crime that can have a significant impact on individuals and communities.